we got this problem here. When this bathroom was grouted, we had this stain happen, and when it was wiped off, the sponge dripped, and so we have a couple drip marks here. And we've tried scrubbing till there's no end of it, trying to get rid of them on other tiles, and so far no luck. So this is what we're going to try to use. Cement Grout Haze Remover by Aqua. We'll have a link in the description below, or Amazon link if you want to try to get it. We're just looking for solutions that will remove that haze. So we're just going to pour a little bit on there and just let it sit for a little bit. And I got a couple of them here. And we're just going to try this. We've never used this before. So I'm going to go ahead and put these gloves on because of the solution itself. And these are just rubber chemical gloves. Hopefully that's going to do it. If this doesn't work, we'll try the next thing up and we'll get progressively stronger and stronger solutions till it does work. But ideally, you can find this in the big box store. It's on Amazon. So it's something that's handy. So we'll try it first. That's definitely better. It's not perfect though. We'll just leave it sit over here on this tile. I'm not even going to mess with it. And so we're just going to keep doing this back and forth, and we'll see what happens. So we've done it 3 times now. And if you can look at it where I'm pointing, that whole area right there, you can still see it. Well, what we've been doing, we haven't done anything to this. We've just let it sit on there. This one, we put it on there and then rubbed it off, put it on there, rubbed it off, scrubbed it with this little towel. And it's getting lighter, but it's a little wearisome to keep putting it on there and scrubbing it. So we'll do it one more time. Our only other option is to tear up the tile to replace it if you can't remove the stain. So this is at least giving us some hope. Okay, so that's number 4, and I would say that sure looks pretty decent at this point. It's not 100% vanished, but it's probably 95% vanished. This has been sitting on this one spot, which was a similar color to that one the whole time we were doing this. We'll just scrub this once and see what happens. Wow, look at that. That pretty much, I think it was right there, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it did it just by letting it sit on there for a long time. Yeah, that did great, just by pouring it on and letting it sit for a while. And so that must have been about 10 minutes, just by letting it sit on the spot. So...
Oh, look at the top line. It says there was some instructions inside.
What? Maybe I'll go ahead and read what the instructions say. It probably says, don't let it sit there a long time. And they say, start with wet the surface first, and then apply this. If it's a light haze, 1 part this to 3 parts water. If it's heavy haze, which these things are heavy, just straight solution. So it looks like you got about 30 minutes to let it sit on there, and we probably only did this a total of 10. So far it looks like it's working for us. We've let it dry now for about a half hour, but this one has gone away, which is really, really nice. And then we had one over there. I remember we had let the solution stay on that tile, and I think it was right around here somewhere. And we let the solution just sit on there the whole time we were pouring it on and off and then wiping it here. And when you just let it sit there for 15 minutes, it did a remarkable job. So overall, I'd say that's probably worth it. It didn't maybe do it as fast as I had hoped it would, but it did a good job. Yep, probably worth a shot. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you in the next video.